If you look at the way people have been picked up, the way we have investigated, the way people have been charge sheeted, you've seen that action has been taken. If you tell me one case where we have been soft, then I can reply to that. But in most cases, the government has acted very tough on this, and most people have been caught.
So the TMC has said that the government was caught napping. Third incident of this kind in 6 months. So how do you react to that?
I think the TMC or the then Congress knows better that during that time what had happened. So I think they understand the law and order situation. Of course, they're trying to play politics with the overall situation, which is unfortunate that they should play politics in this situation like this. They should be constructively working with the government to find solutions to these issues. But as I said, the law and order situation during that time, we all know what it was. And by and large, the state has been very peaceful. Yes, there are incidents which should not happen, but they do happen. They should not happen, and as I said, we will take steps to ensure that in the future these kind of incidents should not. Government has been very firm and acted very tough on any situation that has challenged the peace of the state, and will continue to do that.